Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox if it's crashing and freezing on Windows. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox if it's freezing and crashing on your Windows PC? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Right, so there are 6 ways to do it. So the first one is to update your graphics driver because sometimes you kind of forget to update your graphics card, and when that happens for an extended period, it's gonna cause problems, right? Uh, Next is to close unnecessary background programs. So if you're not using anything, close it, and it should help your PC run smoother, run faster. Especially Chrome. Don't open too much Chrome tabs, especially if your PC is not that strong. So number three, temporarily disable your antivirus. So if you have an antivirus like Kaspersky or Norton or whatever, try to close it off. If you're running Windows 10 and beyond, Windows Defender should be enough. So Windows Defender in on itself is already a very strong defense against anything. So just turn off anything. Number four, change the graphics quality. If you're maybe check your graphics quality if it's higher than what your PC can do. Try to lower the quality. It kind of sucks because the quality of the game won't be as good. But if you really want to run Roblox without any crashes and you're freezing, you need to do it. And then check for damaged system files. And last but not the least, reinstall Roblox. So uninstall, reinstall, check if it still runs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.